Hi, this is Gajangi Rajababu. Today we are going to see in must know tactics discover attack and discover check. So where you have to discover attack as well as you have to discover check. So in first move you may not able to see them, but you need to discover them. Let's begin with this current position. Now, as we know, our topic is like discover attack. So right now, if you will look at this position, in this position you will not find any attack. But if you see this rook is attacking this queen, but in between this knight is there. Suppose if this knight is moved somewhere, either any one of these four squares or any one of these six squares, you may forcefully attacking this queen with the rook. Okay, so when this knight we want to move to attack on this queen, so we have to move this knight in particular square where your opponent is unable to move his queen. So that is possible just by placing this knight here and giving check to king. And now in this case we just attack this queen, and this attack is called discover attack. And now we can win this queen, also win the game. So in such positions or in such attacks, okay, so we can win big or huge material. Now just we replaced the king with the queen. Now this is called a discover check. Now look at, the rook can give check to this king, but again the same thing. So we need to this move in such a way that we can win some big material or more material. Okay, so therefore we are planning to move this knight here, so can attack this queen. So here we are giving a discover check. So we are discovering check here. Okay, so check, the king has moved and then you are winning this queen. So these two tactics, discover attack and discover check, both are very useful to win games. So everyone must know these tactics. Okay, so all this comes under basic tactics. Now look at this bishop. This bishop is attacking the rook, which is on a8, but this pawn is there in between. So by pushing this pawn, I think we can able to attack this rook. Okay, so this is a discover attack. Now we are discovered this attack and attack over that rook. So he saved one rook, he could not save both, so we are winning this rook, and later on we can also win the game. Now look at this position. Sometimes even if you find out a discover check or discover attack, but when you have a multiple choices, so that time you have to take a clear decision. Okay, so decision making is also very important. Now right now you know that there is a chance of giving discover check, but you have a multiple choice, like the multiple choice, like you can move your knight here and attack this queen, so you can win the queen. And secondly, what you can also move your knight here, give check and win this rook. Okay, so this choice is also there because there is a chance of giving discover check. So now out of these two, what we should do, that which one we have to give. So obviously everyone will say let's give this check and take the queen and win the game. But remember, even we also lost our queen. Okay, so but by giving this check, I think we are able to do even checkmate this king if you think properly. Now let's see, I am giving a discover check as well as I can say it is double check. Now when there is a double check, see the black king was having only option of taking king inside. Now when he took this king inside after capturing this rook, king got checkmate. Okay, so sometimes we have to take a proper decision. So decision making is also very important. Now look at, now here we are black. Okay, now look at how discover is possible. Now look at this bishop, which is very strong in this diagonal, and along the diagonal, okay, so this bishop is looks like unprotected. Okay, So therefore here I think the black decides to take this pawn with the knight. Suppose if we capture with anything like with the pawn, so we can give this check and later on we can take that rook. Now look at this one. So here I think by moving this pawn or by giving this check or by capturing this bishop, I think we are not getting anything discovered. But let's see, sometimes we need to understand our opponent's plan also. Look at this rook which is already controlled here. Suppose if we try to move this rook along the file, you know what is going to happen? He is going to give this check and there will be a checkmate. A kind of staircase mate will happen on us. Okay, so therefore we cannot take this bishop free, even though it looks like free, that we cannot take. Even we cannot give this check, it looks like checkmate because these three squares are controlled by this pawn as well as by this bishop. So we cannot give even this checkmate because this bishop is controlling this. Now in such situation, you know, white discovered a very good move. First he gave a check. Now look at, if this king would have come here, then the white could have captured this and check and win the game easily. Okay, but now the king should avoid that, so therefore he went there and now look at this chance of discover. Okay, remember, but if you try to move this rook and when you try to give a discover check, remember this bishop can capture, sorry, this rook can capture this bishop. So therefore he is giving this discover check. Okay, so this discover check, so he captured our bishop, but we can capture the rook, and after capturing this rook there is no checkmate threat on us and we have two rooks and he is having only rook and bishop, so we can simply win the game. Now look at this position. Now this king looks like a completely stuck. Okay, now king cannot come here, cannot come here, cannot come here and cannot come here. So he is having only the breathing square is this one as well as this. Only these two squares is having. Now white is imagining, suppose he takes knight here. Okay, so then it will become check and also controlling the square, so it will become simply checkmate. Okay, so therefore he's try to give a discover attack on this rook by taking this knight here, and you know that the idea of this knight was giving this check and mate. But now the black captured this pawn, so there won't be any mate. So white is simply capturing this rook and winning the game. Now look at this position. In this position, this bishop and the queen can give checkmate here. Along that diagonal, he can easily give checkmate. But in between, this knight is there. So, but at the same time, remember, the rook is also ready to capture our queen. Suppose if I try to, you know, push my knight here to give checkmate here, this rook will capture my queen. So therefore what we should do, that here that white thought and he decided to sacrifice his queen. Okay, so when black captured, now he is moving this knight and giving double check. Check with the knight, check with the bishop, and the king went there and see, king got trapped and he simply got checkmate. Now look at the last two positions which we are going to see. Now here, like if the black moves this bishop here, so we can get this queen along that. But wherever you move, the first is white's chance, so he will capture your queen. So therefore wisely we have to move this bishop to give discover attack. So the black is having so many options to move his bishop, but there is only one correct option. So that is what we have to take a correct decision, that which square is correct for this bishop. So after thinking a while, the black found the bishop f4 is a very strong move, because if this captures, he will just capture this bishop and give check. And now also we can do same thing. Before capturing queen, first we will capture this, give check, and now we will capture this. Black will simply win because of he is having two, what we can say, he is having two bishops. Okay, so now here also let's see, the white is giving this check. Okay, if he would have captured, then easily white would have captured that rook. Now check. Now look, suppose if this captures and make queen, then the black king will capture us. So therefore the white decided to promote into that pawn into queen and give check. So now the queen came in between, so just take this. Now we are having queen, he is having rook, so we can simply win this game because we are having extra material. So this is about a discover check and discover attack. Now both are very useful to win material. Okay, so now once you know how to move your pieces, afterwards you all must know all these tactics. Okay, so keep practicing and keep, watch the video, pause that video wherever you are not understanding, set up the position on the board, and then you can practice or move your pieces. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please share and like my channel and also subscribe. Thank you very much.